Avoid these mistakes. Well, number one, avoid shallow latches and encourage deeper ones. What it does is that this will help in efficient and sufficient removal of milk and will also establish good milk production. Plus, it can be really painful if the latch is not proper. Number two, give sufficient time to empty each breast. Do not keep changing your breasts. The best way to do is when the baby stops swallowing more frequently and they get little restless, then offer them the other breast. So let the baby decide the feed timings. Number three, do not wait for the baby to cry out loud to feed. Rather, that should be your last clue to feed a crying baby. Especially in the initial weeks, it is best to feed on demand than waiting till feeding time. Sometimes babies are just thirsty or they just want to pacify themselves and not just really feed. So babies do not work on schedules set by you. Number four, do not pump too early. If you're always around your baby and exclusive feeding has been established, avoid pumping early to check your milk supply or just the urge to store extra pumped milk. Let your child communicate to your body to establish and regulate your milk supply, at least for the initial 6 weeks. Number five, do not fall for the myth that the more milk you drink, the more milk you make. The truth is, right latch, frequent and effective removal of milk and release of the two hormones, prolactin and oxytocin, are the only key factors to increase your milk supply and for proper production of milk.